This is professional steel billet temperature raising equipment mainly used for intermediate supplementary heating of steel rolling production lines. Adopting medium frequency induction heating principle, it features fast heating and concentrated heat conduction. It perfectly solves common rolling problems such as billet temperature difference and insufficient furnace temperature. It supports continuous online temperature raising with uniform heating and controllable temperature difference, fully meeting rolling process standards. Equipped with infrared closed-loop temperature control system, it monitors real-time temperature and automatically adjusts power without manual operation. Compared with traditional heating furnaces, it produces far less oxide scale, reduces steel loss and overall production energy consumption. Compact structure, simple installation and commissioning. It is compatible with new and existing rebar and section steel rolling lines. It greatly improves billet rolling quality and finished product qualification rate. We support non-standard customized design and on-site debugging. Welcome to contact us for more details.